2, 3. Here she comes.
Oh, you're muddy. Mommy's not gonna like me.
That's alright, it washes out.
Here, let me take a picture of that.
I think she's even got some pajamas and stuff at our house.
Did you get muddy?
Oh, yeah. I haven't watched you, so that doesn't count. Ready?
You gonna go down that one again? That one? That's not a slide, I don't think. Oh, okay. Alright, go on through and then go down the slide.
Doggy! Very cute. Puppy is very cute.
Did you let Grace run by herself?
Yeah, she's
She's way over there.
not doing anything.